What up, guys? You want to know how long 50 caliber racing's been around? I built this bike in 2005. This is my old bike. We're getting it going for my son back there today.
Hello.
It needed new gas. We cleaned the jets out and it fired right up. This has our 108cc stroker kit we've been selling since 2004. Still running. This is our swing arm that we still to this day sell. This is our foot pegs that we still to this day sell. This is our tall seat we still sell, gas cap, plastics kits. We no longer sell these pipes, but this is our old pipe. So how long we've been around? Over 20 years.